You are a girl, you can't fix my phone.
I know. I think there's a gap. Watu wanafaa waambiwe. Hi guys, welcome back to A Girl from the Reeft. Thank you so much for joining us, and if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, like and share. Today we are hanging out with the lovely Betty. Nimezoea kusema the lovely, but anyway, we are hanging out with the lovely Betty today, and we are outdoors, so please excuse any noise that you might hear. We are being hosted at the lovely and the beautiful Poor Place, right? Stay tuned for this interview. So hi Betty.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling relaxed.
Fantastic. Okay. I'm happy that at least tumepata hii chance ya kukaa chini. I know it's been like a plan kujaribu kusukuma it's not going. So please go ahead. Najua nimekuintroduce lakini go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us exactly what you do.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Betty. Currently I'm doing phone repair in Eldoret, and I'm happy to talk with my colleague here, girl from the Reeft.
Yes, and also a sister.
Yeah, she's my sister.
All right. Tell us, how did you start and how did you get the journey from school until now you're doing phone repairs, and what kind of phones do you deal with? What kind of repairs do you deal with?
Okay. Thank you for that question. My journey started from 2018. I graduated in Maseno University. I did industrial chemistry. You know how that course is tough.
Chemistry people.
Hey, chemistry people. So here we are. I graduated in 2018. And my journey for looking for a job has not ended up well. Yeah, so we've been tarmacking, and then afterwards I found myself interested in phone repair. I was like, this kind of job whereby people have phones and there is need to repair the phones, because there is no any other day that your phone you can't stay without cracking your phone. Yeah, I know,
true.
right?
And it's a necessity sort of.
It's a necessity. So I became interested. I joined one of the shops in Eldoret. I got a wonderful trainer. He trained me for like a year. That is now from 2019 towards 2020. That is December 2019. So I started by small repairs. You are just seeing and you're not doing anything. Yeah, so it's just a step at that time. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Like you just learned it hukusomea, like ulijisukuma tu kama.
Yeah, nilienda tu nikaangalia, and then I was like, this thing is not that difficult. I can also do it. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. So from you starting that the phone repairs, what repairs specifically unafanya right now?
Okay.
Like it's been like 3 years now.
Yeah, it's like 3 years. So basically tunafanya repair ya simu zote. Nokia, Tecno, Infinix, itel, oppo, iPhone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Tablets and these small robots. Yeah, music, you understand?
Oh,
robots.
The Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah, those ones.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So we do from phone the screen replacements, charging system replacements. Could detect the problem whereby like you diagnose the problem of the phone. Yeah.
And then
screen damage and also water damage. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Mi kitu najuanga na watu mafundi, and I always say this, mafundi. Hey, watu na trust hivi inakuanga tricky. So how do you handle challenges? Like what are the challenges kwa industry size? Because I can imagine.
Yeah, challenges ni mingi. First thing, inakuanga kuwin trust ya client, because you find a client analeta simu and he or she doesn't want to leave the phone, and you are like, you need like the whole day to figure out where the problem is. So ukijaribu kuconvince a client to leave it, he's like, no, you will remove my things. No, I won't leave my phone. I want the phone. I want the phone fixed by 1 hour, and you are like, you need like 3 hours. So that is one of the challenges. Another one, it comes whereby you with the phones of water damage or liquid damage, you fixed it and hiyo imefufuka, and then you give it to a client, anatumia for a while, then it comes inakufa. Yeah, so you need to handle a client, kumwambia maybe water damage, it can affect other parts. Yeah.
So that's another big challenge.
Yeah. Another challenge on my side, inakwanga wale elderly people. They're like, no, you are a girl, you can't fix my phone.
I know. It's not fair.
Ati, a client comes in and he says, fundi yako wapi? And I'm there, I'm like, I'm the one to fix it for you.
Lakini anaona hapana, yeye ana imagine fundi ni mwanaume.
Anasema no, nataka fundi. I'm like, I'm here to help you. Then you try to convince, of course. Finally ataingia tu kwa box.
Na kuna ule mwenye hataki kabisa, anataka fundi wake.
And they are the ones who wanna prefer, they prefer a lady to do the repair because they believe that we are more careful, we are more like organized.
And also sort of trustworthy to come here.
Exactly.
Okay. So industrial chem,
what
happened? Like, I'm imagining this is a very big course. You expect that okay, well, me hata si expect sijui ungefanya kazi wapi, but I'm expecting this is something that you ungepata kazi.
So
how did it go applying for jobs?
Okay, I went applying because for this industrial chem, you are supposed to work in production industries, manufacturing, for example, Coca-Cola, Mabati rolling mills. But now, production or these companies are chemicals. But now you go there, unaambiwa salary is like 10,000, surely.
Seriously?
10,000, and you've struggled, the chemistry is very hard.
Imagine.
So I opted, I was like, no, I can't survive with 10,000. So I had to think outside the box.
You do something that you can control very quick, but at least you've done your work. Other than, and then I can imagine for factories how work is
workload. The workload is intense.
Okay. So I mean, now try to imagine this is a course that it's something that once ukitiwa shule, unajua it's a chemical, like it deals with chemistry at chemical. It deals with chemistry and of course lazima ukuwe umepita. Yes, it's just not like everybody ataitiwa such a course, ndio. And do you feel like at some point now after umesha graduate, do you feel like you would have taken a different course?
Yeah, perhaps. Yes. Sometimes I feel like ningechukua another course like nursing, because my friends wenye walikuwa wame opt for nursing, right now they are employed, they are working in big hospitals.
So umeshapata job.
Wengine wameenda outside. But my classmates, most of them walienda in diverse areas, fields. Others are doing online work, others are doing selling tumba, others are doing like something that can bring food on the table.
Then it sort of makes me feel like there should be, I think there's a gap. Watu wanafaa waambiwe what course you're going to take, ama mtu ajue mapema other than kwenda kuchukua course alafu in future hatujui market demand iko aje. And it happens to the most of us, and that's why I think I created this channel, so that at least we start a job, you know exactly what you're going, like at least you have an idea of what other people are doing. Si wewe peke yako you are going through that. Yes. So is there anything that you would want to advise somebody mwenye ako kwa in similar situation as yours?
Okay. What I can tell a person watching right now or anybody else mwenye amejipata in a situation whereby something that ulisomea, you are doing something even contrary to what you expected. So I can say whatever comes in your mind, go with it, run with it. If it is bringing food on the table,
go with it.
Don't wait for a job. You will wait, you will sit at home, you will get tired,
and nobody's going to hand you a job like shika.
No, there's no way. You just go with what you think. If you think of selling smokies, just do it. The best part is that at the end of the day, utakuwa umepata something small. And don't give up. You just keep on applying for not even like something that is related to your course. If you see an advertisement, maybe in a bank, in school, you just apply. You never know.
You never know.
You never know. Maybe one day, one time, you will get to do that which you desired.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, Betty, I also saw something that I wanted you to talk about.
Yeah.
You also do sort of sales online.
Yeah, sure.
What is that? What kind of things do you sell?
Okay.
Like you're sort of hustling this other side on your free time. You're doing this other thing.
Yeah. Okay, I can say I do online selling. That is nilipata hiyo motivation through my people from Central, my friends from Mount Kenya. You understand? Yeah. So my friend was like, if you are doing this during the day, what are you doing when you are free? At times you are just free, you are just there browsing, doing nothing. So she asked me if I can sell some things online. Then I was like, okay, I can try. So I've been following some people on TikTok. I find places, chomps, plugs, whereby you can get a product at wholesale and then you sell it online at normal price. Yeah, like price ya supermarket or less. So you get clients. So I sell mostly household, vitu za bathroom, the organizers, house decor, kitchenware. Yeah, those are the ones that I sell part time. Yeah, I just post them, then I get a client, and then he gives me an order, then I send the item to him or her.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So it means like umejitafutia pia a hustle that works for you when you're not there.
Yeah.
People, you have phones. Why don't we do this thing? Like una post photos na people are interested in it, mtu anaamua kuchukua. Okay, so tunakupata wapi? Because nimesikia kuna mtu pahali namjua sana anasema simu yake imeharibika of late, inashinda ikisumbua. Yes. So where can we get you?
I'm situated in Eldoret. Near Safaricom House. Our shop is called Emmo phone repair. Iko opposite Safaricom House near roundabout ya kwenda Langas. Yeah. Okay. So my number,
ama tutaandika namba yako.
Yeah, you'll just get it. Yeah, I'll just post my number. So if you have any problem, I'm here to solve it for you. I'm your doctor of your
the phone doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really interesting. So you guys, I'm speaking specifically to ladies. I think hakuna job yenye mse haizifanya. She's proof of it, ndio? Right? Hata kama mtu anakutana kwa niko shop and then the last like when ni day uwezi nitengenezea phone, but you still do it.
Yeah, I do it.
Yeah.
All
right. Thank you so much, Betty. It was a very short and a very sweet interview.
Thank you.
And yeah, you guys, ukiwa na shida ya phone, you know where to find her. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Mimi, as usual, I'm very thankful. I am really grateful. Thankful, I'm grateful. Any of them. Stay tuned for my next videos that are coming. And thank you for hanging out with us. See you next time. Bye.